Have you been finding issues with installing apps on your phones? I mean, if you've ever had a phone, or if you have a phone, you've experienced such an issue, and you've tried and tried and tried to find solutions to it, but then you cannot find a way. Well, you're the right channel, you're the right video, and today we're going to look at how we can solve such an issue. But hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How's been your week? You can leave me a comment about how your week has been. So today's video, let's get to it. So guys, before we look at the reasons the solution on how we can solve an app not installed error, well, we can look at the reasons why it happens sometimes. And the first obvious reason is because of insufficient storage. Yeah, maybe you imagine your phone is piled up with all these apps and then you're trying to install a new one. Of course it's going to fail. So the solution to that, when an app fails to install because of insufficient storage, you can try clearing some of the apps that you don't use or the ones that you don't need anymore. Or maybe you can clear up your phone when, for example, with pictures, such things, so that you can create more space for the app that you want. Then the other reason, I think, most times, like if you download an app from maybe a corrupted source or a contaminated app, and then you try to install it in your phone, most times some phones will also bring a message that they cannot install an app from an unknown source. So if you get that, also what you do is that I advise you to download apps from the Google Play Store. At least it's a secure location that you can download in apps. Yes, so if you've been downloading apps from a contaminated area, well, you can start using the Google Play Store. Those of you who try to, if you download apps but then store them on the SD card, and then sometimes they fail to download or to be installed on your phone, well, sometimes you can check if your SD card is mounted in your phone. If it's not, you can go to settings and then check if it's mounted. So if it's not, you will have to mount your SD card so that the apps can be installed on it. Then an app can also fail to install on your phone if it's sometimes not located, if the path is not with the device's internal memory. Yes, it's really preferred if your apps that are being installed are stored on the device's internal memory. So at least you have to check your internal memory for your phone so that you see where these apps are. You can change the path so that you can see where they're being installed on. Then the other reason why an app may fail to be installed is because maybe it's not compatible with your device. So sometimes if it happens, I just advise you to download maybe a lighter version or maybe an older version of the app, so that you can get something that's compatible with your phone. Then the other thing is that you check the application permission, like you reset the application permission. Maybe it has failed, but then maybe you did not give it permission to be installed on your phone. So what you have to do is to reset the application permission. Maybe this app was already installed, but then you're trying maybe to update it, but it has failed. So what you do is to go to settings, then you select apps. Then when you go to apps, you reset the app preferences. Yes, so then you try reinstalling the app and check. So if you don't mind, that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and then if you want to check out more WhatsApp tricks, you can click in the description below. And then please don't forget to subscribe and like, and also leave me a comment. I really would love interacting with you. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next week. Oh, how's been your week? Please don't forget to answer that question, and I'll see you